Friends, welcome to another series of data representation and Boolean logic. This is my third video on this. If you have not watched my previous videos, you can please go back and watch those two videos. From today onwards, we are going to start our conversation series. There are many types of conversation possible from one number system to another number system. First of all, there are four types of number system in our computer system, which has been explained very beautifully in detail in the previous videos. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and go through that video so that you get an idea that in computer number system there are four types of numbers, and from today onwards we are going to learn how to convert from one number system to another number system. So first, today we are going to convert from decimal to binary. So without wasting much time, let us start with the first example. What is the rule for converting the decimal number system to the binary number system? But before I read out the rule or explain the rule to you, you should know the base of every number system. There are four number system all in all: decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. Here we are talking about decimal number system and binary number system. So the base of decimal number system is 10 and that of binary number system is 2. Right now we are aiming to convert from decimal to binary. That means the base of decimal is 10 and that of binary is 2. Since the base of binary is 2, that is why we are going to divide our number by 2. The reason for dividing it by 2 is you will divide the number by its corresponding base value. From decimal to any other number system, when you will divide, you are going to divide it by the 2. And how long you will divide the number? You will divide the number until it is becoming either 1 or it becomes 0. Why do we prefer dividing it until 1 or 0? Because these are only the two numbers which are no further divided by 1. We know that 1 cannot be divided by 2 or 0 cannot be divided by 2. So the rule is very simple. Keep dividing the number by the base value. The base of binary is 2 and we know that 1 and 0 are no further divided by 2. That is why, so the division process will keep on going on until the number becomes 0 or 1. So that is called as repeat division. See the example. We are starting with 25. First, the 25 on dividing gives you 12. That is why we have written 12. On this side we will keep on writing the remainder. Firstly, the first remainder is called as 1. Next time we will divide 12. So 2 12s are 2 6s are 12 and remainder this time is 0. Next 2 3s are 6. Write the remainder on the other side 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. And lastly, you know that 1 cannot be divided by 0, so that is why it is written 2 zeros are 0 and lastly 1. But make sure that when you write the answer, you write the answer from the bottom to top. That care you have to take, and that is why we read the answer from bottom to top. That will be 1 1 0 0 1. Final answer for binary 25 will be 1 1 0 0 1. And in the binary number system, the numbers are not grouped together. We do not read the whole numbers together. You cannot pronounce it as 11,101. You have to pronounce every digit separately. Also notice that it is must to write the base value in the bottom. Over here the 25 was in the decimal. That is why the base is written as 10, because the base of decimal number system is 10 and you converted into binary. So on this right hand side we have written 2 because it has been converted into the binary equivalent, whereas here it was originally in the decimal form, which was corresponding to the base 10. That care has to be taken when you write the answer. Let us see another example. We will do the same procedure. This is called as repeat division. You have to keep repeating the procedure until you end up with the value 1 or 0. and since it is an odd number, we know that odd number will end up giving you answer 1, and if it was even number, you would have got the remainder as 0. So let us start with the example. First number is 17. Divide 2 by 8. 2 8s are 16 and the remainder is 1. Next, 2 4s are 8, the remainder is 0. Next, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. In the previous example, it was written one step ahead. It was written 2 zeros are 0 and this 1 was taken this side. Either you can do that way or you can simply stop here itself only. This is also okay. When you get 1, you stop here itself and you write your answer from here to here. That is also okay. Just go back to the previous slide, you will get the idea. In the previous slide, there was one step extra written. They wrote the last step 2 zeros are 0 and here 1 was written. This is also okay, or otherwise what you can do is you can simply stop as soon as you get 1, you stop your answer, but keep in mind that when you write the answer, you include this 1 in your answer also. So start writing your answer from this 1 and include the rest of these numbers which are your bottom to top going wise. It will be 0 0 0 1. But sometimes students forget to take this 1 when they write the answer. That is why in the previous slide it was demonstrated that you solve this example by writing one step 2 zeros are 0 and write the 1 on this side, so that all your devices are written on one side and you write the answer this way. Otherwise both the methods are correct. As soon as you get the 1 over here, you stop your division process here itself only and you write the answer. Again, this method is also valid. There is no harm in this also. Let us take one more example. First of all, 65 is the given number. When you divide, you will get 32 and the 1 will be your remainder. Next, 2 16 and remainder is 0. 2 4s the 2 8s are 16, remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. Next, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. And as it was done in the last example, you just stop as you get 1, but make sure to include your 1 from here and then write the rest of the answer from here. So we start writing from this 1 itself and we go from bottom to top. Our answer will be, already this 1 is written, then there are 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there and lastly 1. So this way the answer will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is easy to remember. As soon as you get the 1, you stop your answer and finish the example. One more fourth example is taken. The number is 51. You divide it by 2, you will get 25. First remainder is 1. Next, divide 25 by 2, you will get 2. 12 2s are 24, remainder is 1. Next, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. Third, 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. 3 on dividing, 2 2s are 1, remainder is 1. And lastly, stop as soon as you get your 1 and write your answers from bottom to top. So finally, taking this 1, write this 1 and remaining this values from here to here. When you go from bottom to top, it will be 1 0 0 1 1. But don't forget to mention the base of the original number also. 51, since it is in the decimal form, write the base as 10 because the base of the decimal number is 10. And the binary equivalent of this is so your answer at last will be 51 to the base 2 is equal to 1 1 0 0 1 1. Now there are some examples to try yourself. I want each one of you to solve this example and write the answers in the comment box. The first example is 217 to the base 10 and next example is 8023 to the base 10. Find the binary equivalent of this by the repeat division method, and please write in the comment box whatever are your answers. Thank you so much for watching.